Hi, it's really great to be here at the Skills Competition Wales Celebration event. This is a party that we're having today because it's not going to be completely at Neath campus of the MPTC group of colleges, but it's going to be delivered all around Wales. And we have watch parties in Neath and in Newtown this evening. So I hope you all enjoy that tonight. This is the opportunity for our students to show how fantastic they are within their practical skills and benchmark themselves against people from all of the colleges against Wales. We've got a huge haul of gold medals today, far more medals than we'll ever won. Our students have done fantastically well and we are completely over the moon about it.
So we hosted up in Llangefni and on the Avon campus, and it was an amazing event. We had health and social care and childcare, so students from all over Wales competing in the main and the inclusive skills competitions. The students had an amazing day. We had lovely feedback from the students saying that it had made their day and it's prepared them for their careers.
It's just overwhelming, to be honest. I think it was unexpected and just so happy, and yeah, I'm quite proud of myself. I'll say it was a hard competition, but I think everyone collectively, we all did well within it.
Yeah, the old chuffed to bits, absolutely chuffed to bits. I couldn't be happier. Like I said, everyone did so well, and it was such, when you're there on the day especially, you're looking around and you're going, oh my god, everyone is really good. I'd imagine it was really close.
It was definitely like an experience doing it, and this is a bonus to it.
It's got to be Emma, doesn't it? Emma Morgan, our chemistry tutor. She has gone above and beyond to make sure we were ready. Because obviously for these competitions, you don't learn everything you need to from the specification in the WJC. So she has gone out of her way on, mornings with rain or shine, miserable, whatever. She has been there to make sure we were ready for these. And I think she deserves a particular thanks for just how above and beyond she's gone,
I'm just feeling shocked.
I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised today. I'm feeling very surprised. I felt the whole thing has been quite a very good experience and very enjoyable and fun. It was a bit nerve-wracking, but it was quite an enjoyable thing to do.
Yeah, you learn a lot from doing it as well. Yeah, you do. And it was good. It was exciting to do it as well, yeah.
Honestly, I'm quite surprised. I didn't think I was going to get this at all. I mean, I thought I'd just participate and see how it went, and guess I came out gold.
We're really proud of our team tonight, Tide. They're apprentices, they're interested in renewable energies as the engineering department is. It's an up-and-coming sort of employability sector, and yeah, really proud. They did themselves really well.
It was a first for Cheryl and for myself. We've never entered this competition before. They really put a great deal of effort in. They were quite a confident team going in. Immensely proud watching them up there in the signage. Yes. It was a fantastic experience.